Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I would just do a quick video on some gas cans. So as most of you guys know, in 2007 or 2009 they made it illegal to basically have the old school gas can that had, flip the screen out so I can see, basically it had a vent on the back in there. EPA, California and whatnot, I'm not going into politics, but basically said that it spills too much, leaks too much vapor and blah blah blah, put a bunch of regulations on gas cans. And then what we came up with is this gas can. There are a bunch of types out there and stuff like that, but for a cheaper gas can, this is what you got, is one spout, no vent or anything like that. And there's just weird doohickeys here that you gotta like press in. As you try to go in there, you gotta like push down on it. There's a safety push down, and then it takes forever to fill because there's no vent on it. Usually you spill more with this than you did with the traditional gas can. So one of the options are, if you have this pile of junk can already and you don't want to spend the money on like one of the good metal cans, old school, that has kind of the flip lever top, or this, as I'll get to in a second, you can go something with like this easy pour spout. Basically what it is, it modifies your gas can. It may not say it's for a gas can, but it's to illegally modify your gas can, basically to bring it back to what gas cans were 20, 30 years ago. That have a vent on the back, and there you're gonna have to drill a little bit, but it does work quite well because you're flexible spout. But I actually found a gas can that seems to work better than the old school ones. So this is a short can. You can fill it from the top there. If you want to pour it out fast, you can use that. But this spout feature here, twist off the cap, then it's nice and flexible. Don't want to make sure you can see. So you can just twist the spout wherever you want. There's a little safety up top here, not that big of a deal. You can always cut off a little piece there, and then you have a nice trigger for filling up your gas can. You can stop, let it drain, flip it up, put the cap on without spilling it. These are around 40 bucks. They're a little bit more expensive, but it's kind of one of those things, you pay for what you get. And with the government regulated gas cans, you want to stay away from this. So I'll put the link in the description, but I love my Sure Can for that. This one ever breaks, and we go to that for a smaller one, but I really just use this for my mixed gas, so I don't use much of it. But so yeah, Sure Can seems to be pretty great. Let me know if there are any cans you guys recommend, but I sure as hell like that. It's worth the money quite a bit. So thank you for checking in. Like you said, I'm gonna try to have videos about 2 days a week from now. So have a good night.